Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are diving into the classic investment book Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. First published in 1934, this book has been a cornerstone of value investing. Let's explore its timeless wisdom in 10 principles. Principle 1, Intrinsic Value. Benjamin Graham and David Dodd emphasize the importance of determining the true inherent worth of a security, which they call its intrinsic value. Unlike the market price, which fluctuates with investors' sentiment, and intrinsic value is based on a security's fundamental financial health and prospects. Principle 2, Margin of Safety. Graham and Dodd introduced the concept of a margin of safety, recommending investors buy securities priced well below their intrinsic value. This provides a buffer against errors and unforeseen events, ensuring a safer investment. Principle 3, Quantitative Analysis. Principle Graham and Dodd emphasize the importance of scrutinizing financial statements, earnings, dividends, and other quantitative data. These detailed analyses help investors understand a company's financial health and its true value. Principle 4, Qualitative Analysis. Beyond the numbers, it's crucial to understand qualitative factors. These include assessing management quality, industry conditions, and the competitive landscape, which together provide a fuller picture of a company's true potential. Principle 5, Defensive and Enterprising Investor. Graham and Dodd distinguish between defensive investors who prioritize safety and stability with low-risk investments, and enterprising investors who pursue high returns through active and more aggressive strategies. Principle 6, Bond Analysis. Graham and Dodd provide detailed guidance on analyzing bonds, stressing the importance of credit analysis and understanding the issuer's financial health. They delve into factors like bond yields, maturity dates, and credit rating to assess the risk and return profile of different bonds. Principle 7, Stock Analysis. Graham and Dodd delve into the analysis of stocks. They discuss how to evaluate common and preferred stocks as well as convertible securities. Through fundamental analysis, investors learn to assess the intrinsic value of a stock and its potential for long-term growth. Principle 8, Financial Stability. Emphasis is placed on investing in companies with solid financial footing akin to a sturdy deep roots. Companies are resilient, capable of weathering economic storms, and providing instant returns to investors. 9. The evolution of security analysis. The evolution of security analysis, since its first edition in 1934, security analysis has undergone several updates to reflect the changing financial landscape. Each edition incorporates new insights, market trends, and regulatory developments, ensuring the book's continued relevance to investors worldwide. 10. Influence and Legacy. Analysis has influenced generation of investors, including legends like Warren Buffett. Its principles continue to guide value investors worldwide. Security analysis has left an indelible mark on the investment world, shaping the strategies of legendary investors like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. Joining us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video inspiring, if you enjoyed this summary and want more insights into investment classics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time. Signing off, Mahesh.